Today we will dive into the top platforms to promote as a Temu affiliate. Plus, I've had a couple of lovely video viewers asking in the comments, how exactly do we use this Temu app? So today I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to navigate the Temu app as an affiliate through your phone. And then following, I'm going to show you where exactly you can promote the Temu products that you choose. So here I am on the Temu app on my phone. I'm typing in the word affiliate at the top search bar, which takes me directly to my affiliate dashboard. You'll see that you can withdraw your commissions from the top there from your PayPal account, minimum $20 to withdraw. It shows you other links where you can click to get your affiliate link so that you can then share it on your platforms. Down the bottom it shows you different places you can share. I am going to share to Instagram now just to show you an example, and I'm actually going to pick and share the items that I wish to share, and it actually tells you in orange writing what you can earn up to if you manage to get someone to click on your link and purchase that product. So once I've copied that link there, I'm actually going to choose to post that to my Instagram, and this is what it will look like. Of course, you can do your own different designs up if you don't want to just use this one. Now scrolling back up the top, you'll see there are some icons on the top right hand corner. You can either go to frequently asked questions, or down the bottom there's a bar that says need assistance. You can click on the need assistance and actually go to customer service. It will start off with a virtual assistant, but I find if you just type the word chat, and then it will come up and say, do you still need help? And then click on chat with an agent. You will actually get someone you can speak to one-on-one. Now I tested this out just now, and I actually went out of the app and did some other things on my phone, and once the agent came online, which took about 3 minutes, I was able to click on the notification and it just took me right back into the app. So there's different topics you can choose here to talk about. Just type on promos and games since you are an affiliate, and that will take you through to someone and they will connect you to a customer support agent for further questions. You can also give feedback if you have any suggestions that you would like to let them know. You can also invite other affiliates if you think you have a friend that wants to earn money from Temu as well. And if they join up as an affiliate, then you can also get some money this way too. So just remember, when you come in, you can pick your items at the bottom of the screen. That's probably the best button you want to know if you're starting to choose your products. And it will then take you through. There's a little search bar up the very top there on the right hand corner. If you specifically have a category that you're interested in pertaining to your niche, I'm going to choose dash hounds because I just love dash hounds. So if I had a dash hound store, I could come down here and just scroll through and even add all of these items into my dash hound store, which I would have on a blog, for instance, and I would then promote this on platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and I could even have a YouTube channel all about dash hounds where I would talk about the breed and just different valuable, helpful information about that breed, or even funny stories or snippets and clips and things like that. I would then let my viewers know that, hey, come and visit my dash hound website. There's a link below the video. Check out our amazing products there. I hope that gives you an idea of how to get started. Let's get on to where you can now post your products to so that you can begin to start seeing some of those commissions roll in. You can promote Temu on your own blog, and whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, your blog is a powerful platform for promoting Temu. You don't have a blog? No worries. You can get started for free, just like I did with my website that I recommend down in the link. And this option takes out the #1 spot for me actually in promoting affiliate products, especially since you can start the blog for free. On that blog, you'll write engaging product reviews, share helpful tips and tricks, and sprinkle your affiliate links throughout your value provided content. Now on that, if you go and click onto the link to our Temu guide in the description below, you will actually find we have written a complete script on an exact formula that works to get people clicking on your affiliate links. So that's just if you've got no idea where you're starting or what to write or how to write it, that's just going to give you a little bit of inspiration so that you can then work something into your niche and do a similar thing. We also talk about ways that you can get traffic to your website in case you don't have any followers starting out. The other place to promote Temu is your social media. Yes, the holy grail of modern marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest are gold mines for affiliate marketers. You can create eye-catching posts, share captivating stories, reels and video posts, and leverage hashtags to reach a wider audience. Just remember to keep your promotions authentic and sprinkle in some of your own personality to keep your followers engaged. If you go into TikTok, type in Temu Finds to get some inspiration, and you will see that these kinds of videos are going absolutely crazy. People are making absolute bank off of these videos. You can use something like Linktree in your TikTok bio so people can visit your affiliate page. You can also promote Temu on a place like this, YouTube. So if you've got a flair for video content, YouTube is where it's at. You can create product reviews, tutorials, or vlogs showcasing your Temu products in action. Be genuine, enthusiastic, and don't forget to include your affiliate links in your video description that your potential customers can click onto. And with the right keywords and engaging content, you can attract a loyal following and earn commissions while you sleep. Another way is to use email marketing to promote Temu. This is one of my favorite ways. Don't underestimate it, because if you can build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and send them regular newsletters featuring your Temu products and promotions, offering exclusive discounts or bonuses to incentivize their clicks and conversions. With a targeted email campaign, you can nurture these relationships, build trust, and drive sales, and be straight in their personal inbox, getting their full undivided attention. Now, this is another way. If you have a knack for networking, influencer marketing could be your ticket to affiliate success. Now, this doesn't mean you yourself have to be an influencer. You can actually reach out to influencers and propose collaboration opportunities. And whether it's through sponsored posts, product reviews, or affiliate partnerships, you can team up with influencers who will expose your affiliate links to a whole new audience and drive massive traffic to Temu. Another golden ticket for promoting your Temu products is online communities and forums. So we're talking things like Facebook groups, Reddit threads, and Reddit is really big at the moment. We're talking niche forums where your target audience hangs out. By posting in Facebook groups, for example, this helped me achieve over $106,000 in sales in my first year of selling print-on-demand products. Now, this is a different business model, but it is also an online business model and another way I have made money online. So you could still apply this same technique though for this business type as well. Definitely don't underestimate the power of free marketing on these social media platforms. If you've made it to here in our video, make sure you have checked out our previous videos and stay for the next one because it is a gold mine. And I tell you, if you combine the next video with the information you've just learned here, you're really going to be so close to becoming a Temu affiliate master. In the next video, we're going to disclose the top selling niches that can significantly impact your success.